Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel, where we turn small spaces into stylish sanctuaries. Today we're diving into luxury design tips for small spaces. If you want your home to look and feel bigger without sacrificing style, this video is for you. Before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss out on our latest tips and tricks. Let's get started. 1. Use light colors. Light colors, especially whites, creams, and soft pastels, can make a room feel more open and airy. Dark colors can make a space feel smaller and more closed in. Paint your walls in light shades and choose furniture and decor in complementary light tones. This will reflect more light and create the illusion of a larger space. 2. Choose multifunctional furniture. In small spaces, every piece of furniture should serve more than one purpose. Look for sofas that double as beds, coffee tables with hidden storage, or ottomans that can be used as extra seating or storage. Multifunctional furniture helps you maximize your space without overcrowding it. 3. Incorporate mirrors. Mirrors are a fantastic way to make any space look bigger and brighter. They reflect light and create the illusion of depth. Place a large mirror opposite a window to maximize natural light, or use a collection of smaller mirrors to create an eye-catching focal point. 4. Use vertical space. When floor space is limited, think vertical. Install tall shelves, use wall-mounted storage, and hang plants from the ceiling. This not only frees up floor space but also draws the eye upward, making the room feel taller and more spacious. 5. Opt for sleek, minimalist furniture. Bulky furniture can overwhelm a small space. Instead, choose pieces with clean lines and simple designs. Furniture with legs, like a mid-century modern sofa or a glass coffee table, creates a sense of openness and allows light to flow through the room. 6. Add luxurious textures and accents. Just because your space is small doesn't mean it can't be luxurious. Incorporate rich textures like velvet, silk, and faux fur in your cushions, throws, and rugs. Add metallic accents in your decor, like gold or silver vases, picture frames, or lighting fixtures. These touches add depth and a sense of opulence to your small space. And there you have it, top luxury design tips for small spaces. By using light colors, choosing multifunctional furniture, incorporating mirrors, using vertical space, opting for sleek furniture, and adding luxurious textures and accents, you can make your small space look and feel bigger and more stylish. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more home design tips, subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching, and happy decorating!